Real tree or fake tree?
Real, always.
When do you put your tree up?
About a month before.
Ham, lamb, turkey or salmon?
Salmon and ham and lamb?
Pick one.
Well, we never have ham, so maybe the ham?
Prep ahead or cook everything on the day?
A little bit of prep ahead.
One dish you have to have every year.
Stuffing balls. And tiramisu.
Favourite dish on the My Classic Christmas bag menu this year?
Probably the pomegranate glazed salmon.
Who's cooking on Christmas Day?
Is that even a question?
Eat inside or outside?
Outside if it's sunny.
Who does the dishes?
Everyone other than me, because I've done the cooking.
Do you open presents before or after breakfast?
Santa presents before, other presents after.
Favourite Christmas song?
Jingle Bell Rock.
What do you want for Christmas this year?
Everything that I've already got. I'm pretty lucky.